Hello, you guys. Welcome back to the Ko-Fi Show. Welcome to this video. I have an unboxing I'm doing today. I got two packages from Amazon. They finally delivered, and they actually delivered it to the right house because stupid UPS couldn't deliver my original Christmas present. But anyways, I got two packages I'm gonna unbox, but I'm gonna do separate reviews on it. I'll do actually two different unboxings. It's only one box. But I got an electric toothbrush that I always wanted because my dentist always said you should use. I always hear like electric toothbrush are better than manual. I always use manual. And it's like, I guess it doesn't work as great as electric toothbrushes. So I got electric toothbrush, and I got a T-shirt that I wanted. So two packages coming out. I still got like two or three more packages coming in the mail. So stay tuned for those. These are all my gifts or all my Amazon gift cards that I use and I bought stuff. So here we go. This is gonna be the electric toothbrush, and I'll do my other one later. So with the box, I want to show you guys my address. Stalkers. Let's see. I'm gonna use one of these like little lime cutters from like a wine opener. Try to cover up my address here. This wasn't your typical Amazon guy, logistics guy. It was usually when it comes in a white truck. This one is actually coming in a car. Or came in a car. Alright. Box. It has my T-shirt in here as well. This side. It says supposed to be delivered here by 8. It was like 3:20 when it got delivered. I've been hunting this guy down. Alrighty. Put the shirt aside. Here it is. Sonic electric toothbrush. Fairywill. Fairywill. So here it is, Sonic electric toothbrush. It's like a knockoff probably. This is it. We'll unbox it. So here we go. See down there, just got my shirt over there. Extra large shirt, but we'll unbox it later. Here we go. I heard a lot of great reviews on this Fairywill one because it's cheap. I think this costs like 20 something bucks. The Sonic technology. So it's like a knockoff brand. Nice little, I don't know if you can see that, but nice little flap here. Come on. And it's pulled right out. So I got different heads. I don't know what this is for, but this is it. There's no other case to it. I got two different heads. I got a black head, like a black brush head. Cool. And I got some like another one that's already on the head. It's like a bluish, greenish, with a white ring around it. This one has a black one with a black ring around it. And here's the toothbrush itself. It's nicely packaged. Let's rip it up. Maybe under it's the charging cables. So here it is. Comes with a nice, I don't know if you can see that. It says clean, soft, massage, and charge. So here's the charge button. This is the T edition, like the T19 or T something. There's another one that's a higher one, but this is the one I got cheaper. So here it is, nice toothbrush head. That's a massage. Clean. This one's clean. Then you have soft. Then there's a charge. So open this bottom part up. Okay, here we go. We get other stuff. We get like the VIP, Fairywill VIP, doing the VIP. These are the other bottom tips for this, for the charging. Pretty cool. You probably got your manual, your typical manual how to use it. This down the third, if you want to know how to use it. Then you get your USB. This is not a micro, but it's a little tip one. The other one comes like different. There's different ones that come with different ones. Little tip one right there. You can undo this one. So I know when it dies. Oh, I know when it charges. I'm gonna use it tonight. I'm not gonna do it on camera. A lot of people when they open up the toothbrush, oh, let's brush on camera. But here you go. So this, you just open up the bottom here. This goes right there. Ta-da! It's nice and long, so if you want to charge it, it's a pretty long cable. Nice grip, nice handle, nice head. The head just comes off easily. Well, it feels weird when you take it off. It's like a big vibration, like one of those, you know what I'm talking about. I don't want to say it on camera. And you put on different clean massage. You want to massage your gums, your teeth, all that, all different little sorts of types. So I'm really excited about this because I really wanted one. I've been using Mana for a while, and I feel like it does the work, but not the work I want it to do. This is the Fairywill. Guess what's this? Honest review. Well, it gave me an additional head. Something, I don't know about this head though, but I got an additional head, whatever this is, like some kind of like other toothbrush-y. That's cool. Keep these in my safe. That's cool. Push back. Oh. It's a white ring. It's cool. Man, this one's a black one. Just because my family members want to use it for their teeth, they can use my different heads on here to brush. This is a nice, just regular black ring, black head. I kind of sound sick because I am sick. I got sick over the weekend. I got sick like after Christmas, like during Christmas Day. Like I wanted to throw up that same day. Like I was tired, and Tuesday I was feeling okay, and like Wednesday stuff I was like tired and stuff, and I just got sick. So black head. Then this your regular same one, same original head, but with the white ring. The one that's on me right now. Same one, but with the white ring. This is the Fair. We'll get the job done because I really need it. So, comes a little clip. Just clip it this way. This way. There you go. Ta-da! Then it just goes right back in this little box. Comes in a couple heads. Go get your other head. You know, I might get a little cut for this and put all the heads and stuff inside. Get your little tips for the bottom. If you lose it for the charging, it comes like 4 little tips. Save those. It's always good to have. So if you want something good with like a Sonic care or like with an Oral-B care, get this. It's a good one. I really enjoy it. Fairywill. So you're placing brush heads 30 days after one full charge, the last 30 days. So it removes up to 100% more plaque within a week. Improved gum health in just 2 weeks. Achieves notability, whiter teeth in 2 weeks. Unique design of tooth waved bristles through cleaning of the gums in hard to reach areas. 2 minutes, smart timer with interval pause, remainder each 30 seconds. Waterproof, so I can take it in the shower if I want to brush in the shower. It's waterproof, that's cool. And it says, USB charge, easy, convenient use for home or traveling compared to other regular mango toothbrushes. It says, 1 toothbrush handle, replacement heads, USB without adapter, and instructional manual, how to use it, blah, blah, blah. And third, dynamic cleaning by Sonic Technology. Smart timer, so it times you, I guess, when you brush. 30-second intervals, pause, reminder, and then it says rechargeable and long-lasting power. Sonic Electric Toothbrush Model Pearl Black. 3 programs, clean, soft, and massage. You can massage like for your gums, if you want to massage your gums. You get this little, join the VIP, you know, you can scan this barcode and this, that, and the third. Put it all back in here, you got your manual, how to use it, you know, specifications. How to install your brush head, detached brush head, this, that, and the third, different languages. I think I know how to use a toothbrush, but it's electronic, so keep these tips just in case I lose it. This is a inner dental head. Okay, it's inner dental head. So, put out the side here. Anyways, that's it. This is my Fairywill electric toothbrush head. I'm really excited to use this, honestly. I've been waiting for this. And I ordered it, what was it, Saturday? No. I didn't order it today. I ordered it like Christmas Day I ordered this. Or like this week I ordered it. It came like before my other stuff I ordered. Which is awesome. I don't need this anymore. So keep all this other stuff, this little, I don't need this box, but all that stuff it came in. I'll keep the cord obviously because I need to charge my brush. I need to use it, so I'll go back in the box. Don't lose any of the parts. Put this back on there, like so. So that's it. The Fairywill. It's a USB charger under the holder. Okay, so I'm like, oh, goes the other way. There we go. So confusing. Where did it go? Yes, dude. I got like a runny nose right now, so you guys, sorry about that. Gotta get a cup. I think I have a cup already in my bathroom. I'm not gonna put some on the cup brush heads. So there you go. Fairywill. You guys another closer look at it. There it is. We just saw it all. We're gonna botch it. I'll show you guys again. Take out the package. So 2 different brush heads with different rings around it. White, same original brush head. This is the black one. The same one with the white ring. Then another just a regular all black brush head with black ring. And this one, I don't know, this is to get like really deep into your gums, or I don't know how this one works. There's a bristle, but I don't know how that one works. The white with the white head. This is the brush itself. Clean massage. You can see that? It's a blurry. There you go. How now? Whatever, it's just clean. Clean, soft massage charge. This is your button to power it on. This is your button to change the settings, the different one you want. The charging cable is under here. You guys saw that. Show you guys anyways. Hold on. Here. Charging cable to charge it. Different tips for the bottom of the toothbrush. That one gets lost. 3, 4, because you got to cover it so when you're using the shower it won't get wet and it won't get damaged. So it comes with 4 extra ones in your charging port. So I'm going to put this up in my bathroom. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this. This is a oh, my finger's in the way. The Fairywill electric toothbrush. Like a knockoff brand of Sonic Care and Oral-B ones. So it's a knockoff, but it'll do the trick. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Vikings games tomorrow, so if we win, we win. We get first round bye. Sorry about that, but we get first round bye if we win, so that's a must win for us in the game. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. But I finally posted my Vikings video, but I haven't posted any other videos in a while. Anyways, Fairywill. I'm going to try it out. And I'll give you guys my results or something like that. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. And I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all. Have a good one.